Hello beautiful, welcome back. So for today's video I decided to do something for Valentine. I decided to go with very simple eyes and a dark lip. You can definitely pair this look with a nude color. You can pair it with red lips or even this mauve color. And for today's video I will be doing a voiceover just because I do have neighbors and they were being a little loud today, so I couldn't talk throughout the video. So I decided to do a voiceover. If you want me to do a more sexy, sultry look for Valentine's, please make sure you comment down below and let me know. I decided to go with something more simple and more wearable during the day. You can definitely do this on Valentine's Day. If you don't want to do it for Valentine's Day, you can do it any other time throughout the year. But I had so much fun doing this look. It honestly didn't take me any time. I just did it so fast. So yeah, so I'll show you guys how I did that. And I did struggle with my lips. They do look a little bit messed up. I did struggle, but hey, no one's perfect. And I know for lips, I usually struggle when it comes to liquid lipstick. I do struggle with those. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload next. And I hope you guys like this video. Hello, I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. Girl, my lips are dry. I need a chapstick. Of course, I did my eyebrows off camera, and I will be using these three palettes today on the video. First thing I use is concealer on my lids, and I am using the Urban Decay concealer. First palette I am using is the Nude palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to start with the color Play. With just a fluffy brush, I am using that color Play all over my crease and lid. Almost forgot to put some brow gel, so I'm using the Anastasia brow gel. Now I am using the James Charles palette, and I'm using that pink shade called Pinky Drinky all over my crease on top of that Play color. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm using the color Demure all over my crease and outer V. So I am using these palettes, but you can of course use any palettes that you have at home that is similar to these shades. Back to the Nude palette, I will be taking the shade Teddy, and I will be focusing that on my outer V to just deepen that out. Just like I always do, I go back and forth with fluffy brushes to just blend out what I do. Remember to build and blend. Build and blend. So I will be going back to my eyes after, but for my face, I will be using my Dr. Brant Luminizer primer and my Pixi Rose Oil Blend. And for foundation, I am going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation with my Morphe blending sponge, and all my shades and everything that I do use in this video will be listed down below. And then I just conceal my eyes, and I'm using the Urban Decay Weightless Concealer. I set my face and under my eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I was a little frustrated here just because I had a facial done a few days ago and my face got extra dry, and not even moisturizer helped it. But of course, I did not want to give up on the look, but right here I'm just adding more of that shade called Teddy on the outer V. In my inner corners, I am using the Rose Gold palette, and I'm taking that shade Pink Diamond, and I'll be putting that in my inner corners. So of course that was not enough glitter or shimmer, so I went in with the color Daydream from the Nude palette. I definitely needed more depth in my outer corner, so I'm using the color Raw from the Nude palettes and just making it a little bit more darker. You can definitely go in with falsies if you like, but I just been loving my lashes lately, so I just added some mascara. Do not forget to bronze your face, put some blush on, and highlight. Girl, my face was so dry, I definitely needed some setting spray, so I'm using my Morphe setting spray. So I definitely struggled with this liquid lipstick that I'm using from ColourPop. I tried my best to make it all look nice and neat, but it was a mess. And for the last step, I set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And after that, your face is complete. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you on my next one.